Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making a very delicious, healthy potato chicken dinner for your family. Come with me and let's cook together. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together. Ingredients for making our chicken potato dinner. We'll be needing our chicken, our potatoes, yellow and red bell pepper, some onions, ginger, garlic, rosemary, anise seed, cloves, calabash nuts, some cayenne pepper, basil, green beans, Italian herb, some oil and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. We'll start by adding our chicken to the bowl and salt. It's always important to add your salt on the skin of the chicken. It's very important, guys, to say. And this really helps your chicken to be more tasty and delicious. So start with the spices, making of the spices, guys. So first with the bell pepper, it's very important. Bell pepper on your chicken, roasted chicken, takes you to another level. There's some onions, everything in, rosemary, everything in, guys. We are not using any artificial spice for this, only natural spices. It's very important. And go and blend it. I'll add some olive oil, guys, and some salt, guys. Not too much salt because we've already added some salt to the chicken. Then blend it. So guys, you need to be generous with the spicing. Just go ahead and add a lot of spice to this chicken. It's very important. Guys, this recipe is a must to try. And as you can see, I poured after cutting my potatoes, I also poured some boiling water on the potatoes, because when you make it that way, you can just go ahead and add salt to that water, so your potatoes will be very tasty when you do it that way. It's very important. So you can see this recipe is a must to try, because when you are cooking your chicken and potatoes together, the juice from the chicken really goes on the potatoes very well. It makes it so delicious. Add some Italian herbs, guys. It's very important. Italian herbs on your oven dinner is very important, guys. Brings a lot of flavors to your potatoes and your chicken. And then we'll add some oil. I always prefer using this oven baked oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. You can see it's set and it's ready to go into the oven. But now we are going to leave it for 2 hours or more. You can leave it 2 hours or more, but I don't have much time, maybe 2 hours near coffee, guys. Guys, our dinner is almost through, so I'll go ahead and add the shredded onions. but I really have to add some spices to it also to make it more delicious. Add some salt, a little bit of salt, some oil, a little bit of oil also, and then go ahead and sprinkle it, add it to it, guys. It brings a lot of flavors to your food. Now we take it back to the oven. To the oven again, guys. Guys, we'll also start with the cooking of our green beans. We'll go ahead and add our green beans and then cover it up. Guys, our chicken potato dinner is ready. Look how delicious it looks. So we will go ahead and let it rest. You really have to let it rest for it to cool down a little bit before we serve. Our beans is ready. Let's go and drain the water. Guys, let's go ahead to saute our green beans. So I've added my olive oil to the pan. And I'll add some shredded onions. It brings a lot of flavors to your green beans, guys. Let's go ahead and add our green beans. Let's give it some black pepper. It's already cooked our green beans with salt, but since we wash it with cold water, I'm still going to add a little bit of salt to it. Just a pinch of salt is okay. You can check on the channel. I have a video, full video on how I make this, how I make my green beans, guys. Guys, our chicken potato dinner and our sauteing green beans is ready, guys. Look at how delicious it is. This recipe is a must to try, guys. It's really a must to try. Very easy to make, low budget food, and everybody, this food is really meant for everybody. So let's dig in and serve, guys. Let's dig in and serve. Look at this deliciousness. It looks so delicious, guys. Wow, it looks so yummy. Our chicken, guys. Look at this. It looks so yummy. Our green beans, guys. Look at how shiny. Our green beans, guys. Let's add some green beans. Look at how green, delicious, healthy this green beans is looking. But guys, you can also check my one tray dinner video on the channel. Check that video out. It's also a must to try. Look at this. Our food is ready and served. Guys, our chicken potato dinner is ready. It looks so delicious. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy meal. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Do adios. Kiss, kiss.